Good morning kids. Today we are going to learn a grammar part, that is unit 5, negative sentences. Okay, what is negative? Negative means saying something that is not like that. Okay, what is the opposite of the word negative? Is positive. A sentence can be said or written in two ways. One is positive and another one is negative. A positive sentence is believed to be a fact. That means a positive sentence tells that something is so, something is like that. Example, he is a boy. The baby is crying. There is a book on the table. Yes, children, these are all the examples for positive sentences. Now we will see about negative sentence. A negative sentence tells you that something is not so, something is not like that. It has a negative word like no or not in that. Example, he is not a boy. The baby is not crying. There is no book on the table. Yes, children, these are all the examples for negative sentence. Now, we will see how to change a positive sentence into a negative sentence. We can make a sentence into negative by adding no or not after the verb in that sentence. Okay, if the sentence has am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, can, may, would, should, could and might alone as the verb. These words alone as a verb, we can add not after those verbs. Okay, if the sentence contains these words alone as verb, we can add not after these verbs. Okay, example, I can lift the bag. This is a simple positive sentence. We can make it as negative by adding not after the word can. Why we are adding after can? Because in this sentence can is the verb. So we can add not after the word can. Now the sentence may be, I cannot lift the bag. This is a negative way. Okay. If the sentence, if the verb has two words as verb, we have to put not between the two words. Okay. For example, Rohan is riding a horse. In this sentence, which one is a verb? Yes, is riding is a verb. Is riding has two words. One is and another one is riding. So, now how to make it as a negative, children? Yes, we have to add not between is and riding. So, now the sentence may be, Rohan is not riding a horse. This is a negative way. Okay, children. If suppose the sentence has verb alone, how to change that into negative? Yes, we have to split the verb. We already learnt about splitting the verb in our previous grammar class, isn't it? Yes, every verb has do, does or did in it. So, for example, if we are taking the verb go, it has do plus go. If it is goes, does plus go. If it is went, past form, did plus go. Okay. While making a sentence into negative, we can put do or does or did and add not before the given verb. Example, she looks good. This is a positive sentence. Here, looks is the verb. Okay. Now, how can we split the verb looks? She does plus look good. Now, how can we make it as a negative? By adding not between does and look. Now, the negative sentence will be she does not look good. That's all. We'll see one another example. Tina bought a new car. Here, which one is the verb? Yes, bought is the verb. Bought is in past form. So, how can we split it? Tina did plus buy a new car. Now, how can we make it as a negative? Yes, by adding not between did and buy. So, the negative sentence will be Tina did not buy a new car. Yes, children, very simple, So, we use this method for statements. Okay, now how can we make an imperative sentence into a negative sentence? Let us see. To make imperative sentences as negative, we can add do not or don't before the verb or at the beginning of the sentence. This one will be very simple. Okay, so we can just add do not or don't at first and we can write the remaining sentences as it is. Okay, example, close the door. Now, how can we make it as a negative? By adding don't at first. So, the negative sentence will be don't close the door. Another one example, keep silence. How to make it as a negative? Yes, by adding don't at first, don't keep silence. Yes, children, very simple negative sentence. Okay. So, we have now seen about where to add not alone. We have said we can add no or not. Isn't it? Up to this we have learnt where to add not only. So, where to add no to make a sentence as negative? Let us see. No is added before the noun and not is added before the verb. If the sentence has verb alone, we can add not there. If the sentence has a noun, a subject, a object after the verb, we can add no there. Okay, we'll see some example. Then only you can easily understand. Yes, Reena is a beautiful girl. This is a positive sentence. We can make it as a negative by adding not. Reena is not a beautiful girl. This one will be negative. Okay. Look the another sentence. I have money. Here money is a noun. Okay. Now money is a object. So there we should not add not. We have to add no there. Okay. So the sentence will be I have no money. We will see on another example. There is a pen in my box. So we can change it as a negative by adding no. Why we are adding no there? Because after the verb is what comes? A pen. Okay, a pen is a noun. So we have to add no there. Okay, so the sentence will be there is no pen in my box. Yes, children, that's all. Very simple. Okay. What we have seen about negative sentence and how to make that as negative. Okay. If we are making a simple sentence into negative, what we can do? We can just add not after the verb. If it is an imperative sentence, we have to add don't there. The only thing we have to keep in our mind that no is added before noun and not is added before verb. Okay, children. That's all. Very simple, very easy. You can easily change a sentence into negative. Hope you all understand how to make a simple sentence into negative and imperative sentence into negative. Okay. Thank you, children.